It's comments like these that made me remember why I wanted to post about me being a revert. Because probably just like this girl, I did it all on my own. I had to do it all on my own. I don't have any Muslim friends, not yet anyway. And telling my family was probably one of the most scariest yet easiest things I had to do in my entire life. Even though I've gotten so many hate and threatening DMs and comments, like, are you okay? I was raised with Islam is bad. Do not come home with a Muslim man. Do not come home with a foreigner. They wanted me to come home with a Dutch man because I'm Dutch. So you can imagine me having an interest in Islam and me telling my parents I want to learn about Islam. It was mind-blowing for them. I'm someone who cares a lot about the opinions of someone else. Like, I care. I'm super sensitive. Their opinions matter to me. Except about this one. For the first time in my entire life, I was so sure about something.